It's actually a week later, and we are at this guy's house.
This guy? Yeah, this guy.
What are you doing?
Well, we're replacing quite a bit of things, including the belt, draining my ATF, putting a new O-ring in my exhaust, checking how to diagnose my 2 misfires apparently, which I thought there was only one. Checking my slave cylinder, pretty much just fixing the cursed Celica.
Little miscellaneous things.
Yeah, and like battery terminal and stuff.
We already did the ATF. He had a lot of power steering fluid in that shit. Came out all yellow and black, which is a big no-no. Look at that sexy cold air intake. Where'd you get that from?
Actually, I stole it from someone.
Man.
My girlfriend got it for me for my birthday.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Wow, AM. Carb legal.
Either?
Yeah, so... Ah, fuck. I got that done. We're about to finish this up. We got all this shit out. We're going to check his O-rings on his fuel injectors, make sure he has all 4 of them. We're going to swap coil packs, see what's up with that, and go from there.
Pretty much, yeah.
And this is why it's important to change these out every now and then. Look at that shiny. Look at that. That right there is wearing out as it's going in and out. So that's why his chain rattles a bit, or his engine is a little bit loud. So if you got the chance, take these out, check them. If yours is scoring like that right here, it's a bad tensioner. Go ahead and replace it. They're really cheap. How much was it? 40. There you go. Where's the new one? Bring it over here so I can show them the part number. Right there. Is that the bag right there?
It's not in there.
Well, it's the bag. I'm trying to show the part number.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested, there's the part number for the tensioner assembly. It has a new O-ring on it. Actually, bring it out. Do you know where it's at? Yeah, bring it. Yeah, so when you buy a brand new, apparently it comes with a new O-ring.
This is on the... When I went to the Toyota shop, they said that they discontinued the O-ring.
It's funny though, because when I had my friend Hector go order me one from Toyota, I didn't buy a whole new tensioner because my tensioner assembly was still fine. So I only had him order the O-ring, and they had it in stock. So
do you have to oil it up at all?
Yeah, you have to oil it up. You have to. So what you do is you loosen the tension, and you see how it came out really fast. That's bad. You have to put oil in it as you're pushing it back down. So do you have oil?
Yeah.
Bring oil. Are we almost done?
I think so. I don't know. See if there are any inconveniences.
Yeah, we still had to bleed the power steering because it was filled with ATF, or not filled with ATF. It was filled with power steering fluid. We took everything out of the system. Where's the catch pan at? Oh yeah, it's down here. And we refilled it with ATF, fresh ATF. He's gonna refill some more, and he's gonna try and start it up. Go for it. I'll tell you if it starts glowing or not. Hold on.
My keys.
Go for it, dude. I'll tell you if to turn off because it starts glowing.
I don't know where my keys are.
What the fuck?
I lost my keys.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. All ready?
You're good. I said you're good. Wait. Oh, dude, we have a gas leak.
Gas leak?
Yeah, we have a gas leak. Stop. We didn't